Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. If you would like to see how I created this look, then keep watching. In this video, I'm going to be giving Yolanda a bowl cut. I'm going to show you the before here. You can take a look at what's going on with her hair right now. Just showing you my parting sections. And right here, take a section in the middle, which I'm going to use that as a guideline to cut out the rest of the hair, so it's my starting guideline. I'm only going to be able to show you one side, being that I didn't want to make the video too long. So you can see how I'm taking a little bit from the previous section and adding it to the uncut section and working my way over to make sure everything's nice and even and well blended. Just checking to make sure everything's nice and well blended and evenly cut. Okay, right here, it's a little bit difficult. I'm going to have to come at it through another angle. You'll see that in a second. Just checking again to make sure everything's nice and even. I'm going to carve out her ear. Now it's completed. And you can see the difference between the uncut side and the cut side. Now I've done the same haircut on both sides. Now I'm just checking to see if everything's balanced and evenly cut on either side of the head. Alright, now that I've finished that, I'm going to show you what I see. It's nice and even. Now it's time to take down the top, and I'm going to take off a little bit, and I'm going to establish the perimeter of how long I want the actual bowl part of the haircut to be. And cut the bang how short I want it to be, and I use that as a guideline for the rest of the perimeter of the bowl part of the haircut. Just checking to see if everything's balanced. Just showing you where I'm going to start off with the cut. Work my way around. I'm going to attempt to try to make the other side the same length. So I'm going to check it right here. I know I made it a little bit longer, so I'm going to work my way, whittle my way down until I get the evenly on both sides. Okay, I'm satisfied with that right here. It's looking a little bit better. I'm going to show you here. My head kind of fluffs up, so I kind of like have to push it down in order for me to see. And I did the entire head like that. I cut everything towards the guideline, the base. Here's the finished look of that. I ultimately decided to do a clipper cut because it didn't look quite as bowl cut as I would have liked. So here's my clippers and my guard. I can't remember what guard at the present, but I'm going to put it in the description. Just doing a little scoop here to make sure I get in that nape area and get it nice and close. I got the guards open right now just to kind of see how I feel about how short it is. Eventually I'll I'll lower the guard. You're gonna see that too in a minute. Once I realized I would have liked it a little bit shorter, so. It's taking all those straggly ends off. Alright, right here I decided to go a little bit shorter, so I lowered my blade and did the same thing again. The finished style here, I'm just going to go and blend the sides with the back now that I've cut the bottom as short as I would like it to be, which is pretty much much shorter than the top, so you can see a distinct bowl once I curl it. So I'm just blending the sides and with the back to make sure everything's nice and blended here. Gonna do the same thing on the other side. Had to change my angling. Checking for balance again. Decided to add a few layers on top, a little point cutting, and take my thinning shears and go through and thin those ends, and here's the finished result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.